In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Local Business Center account. And the first thing you're going to want to do is just sign in. And I'll give you the link and the email and the password for that. So once you get logged in here, we're going to click Add a New Listing. And all this information here is actually going to come from our control panel. So I'm just going to give you that login information also. And you'll click on the edit button here to access their information. And so this is interesting. To get the first question is the company name, and it's important that that's correct. So I want you to go ahead and click on the URL here. That'll open up their name. So this is Stones Construction LLC. And for the purposes of optimizing this for Google, or for the Google Local, what we're going to do is put the city name that they're in. Stones Construction. And then we're going to go ahead and put the city that they're in, which is over here. And then we put in the street address, and I'd prefer it if you just copy and paste these. That way we don't have any typos. I'm selecting the state here and the zip code. Again, we're just copying and pasting everything over. The email address you can take from right here. Along with the phone number. Along with the URL. And for the URL, let's make sure we put the www dot in there. And then for the description, we have a notepad here with everything that you need for the description. So what I want you to do is just copy and paste the description. Now if you notice here, we've left the company name in parentheses, so I want you to replace that with the company name up here. And in the city, we're going to replace that. There's a 200 character max. And then for the categories, you'll see we have all of the categories listed here. So we're just going to copy and paste those in one at a time too. And then you can add new categories. We're going to do 5 categories. That's the maximum we can do at this point. And it's going to pop up and give you, well, I guess not in that case. Alright, once you've put those 5 categories in, go ahead and click Next. And you can see here, Stone's General Contracting is there. And so we're going to claim that listing. You can see that they're right here at the same address. This is, sometimes there won't be one here to claim, and you'll just add the listing. But in this case, Stone's General Contracting, we're going to go ahead and claim that listing. and just read everything. By claiming this listing, you're saying that these two listings refer to the exact same physical business. So we're going to go ahead and claim that business. Great. And then here, this is a yes. You can see we've kind of outlined everything for you. Yes. And we're going to go ahead and create this radius at 30 miles. Then we're going to come down here to hours of operation. You're going to click my operating hours are. Change this to 8 a.m. and apply to all. That'll set that for the day. Then we're going to do payment options. They take cash, check, and invoice. Again, those are here. And then we're going to go ahead and upload some photos. So you're going to browse for these. I recommend that you just save them to your desktop. There's 10 photos to add. Go ahead and add all those photos. Then we have 5 videos to add. All you do is just copy and paste the links. Great. Now we're going to scroll down here to additional details. I want you to put in these 2 categories. So again, you can just copy and paste. Great. And then when we have that all created, we're going to go ahead and hit submit. You can see here it says submit. This is important. We want to verify by postcard. And we're going to go ahead and put in for the contact name here, the name from over here. So in this case, it's going to be Stoney and Bishop. Great. And we are finished with creating the. So we'll go back to the dashboard, and you can see here we have Stone's Construction, Medford, New Jersey. Perfect. It's done. And I will verify this when that person returns their postcard. That's it. That's all it takes to make a Google Local Business Center listing.